Everyone, welcome to Shop Talk. I'm going to show you how to test the pressure vacuum on a 372. This one took a dive in the creek, and I wanted to do a pressure vacuum test to determine if there's damage done to the seals. And the saw passes the vacuum pressure test, and it holds. But watch what happens under vacuum. Slowly bleeds off, and I get questioned a lot on how to determine if it's a seal. Well, when you're doing a vacuum, it's usually the lips of the seal, and the way you can kind of help verify that is put it under vacuum, get you some soapy water, put it around the seal area, and it'll stop bleeding off. Watch that gauge just slowly stop. So if you got any questions on those, give the chainsaw guy a call.